Big moves. Yes, sir.
What's going on, guys? So this is the second video for today. If I post it today, should be. This is me doing my front door speakers. They're the 5.25 Skar TX series coaxial speakers. Replacing them in the front door. Here's the mount that I was waiting on to come in. I ordered off Amazon. I don't know the brand exactly, but yeah, getting the door panels off should be relatively simple. Should just be popping this corner piece up here by the mirror off, popping 2 covers off, and taking off 2 or 3 Phillips head, I believe. But other than that, that should be about it. I'm gonna try to set you guys up and show you a little step-by-step process. Alright, so as you can see, that piece right there, you just pull it off. Those bolts are gonna be for your mirror, so we don't really need to mess with that. Next, we're gonna tackle this door handle cover. Alright, so for that, as you can see, I tried getting rid of a screwdriver right there. I just took my knife and pried it in there, and you pop it off. 2 Phillips head screws. I'm gonna take them out, and then last should be this door handle part. Same thing for that. It had a little rubber piece. Just take something small enough to pry it up out of there, and it'll be another Phillips head screw. Alright, so after that, just pull the door. You know, if you have to, take a little pry tool like that and start it up in an area, and then just pull it. But you know, don't pull too hard, you'll end up breaking something. But other than that, I should just be able to disconnect the door handle cord back there in order to get to the speaker. Alright guys, as you can see, I kind of had to rig up the adapter to get the speakers to fit on. So instead of putting the bolts on there, which it didn't come with any bolts or screws or anything like that, so I just zip tied it, and I'm gonna cut the loose ends and then hopefully try to get the adapter to fit in and get it playing for you guys. So I'll catch back up with you guys in a second. Alright guys, finally got the driver's door in. Look at that dragonfly. Anyways, got the driver door in. It was a pain, but you know, taken away from what I just got on that side, hopefully this side shouldn't take too long at all. So I'm gonna repeat the same process. Zip tie the speakers into the brackets, and we're gonna be playing some tunes here in about 10 minutes. Alright guys, install is complete. Overall, it weren't too bad. I mean, with only having 3 screws in the whole entire door and popping off a panel, and then undoing the door panel off like where you could get to the speaker. Overall, it wasn't so bad. It was just a bracket and getting it to mount up with the speaker and everything, and the holes were just different, and the way the speaker was, it was too big around, so it wouldn't fit in the bracket, so I had to bend it a little bit. But yeah, zip tied it, cut the ties off, and just put the bracket in, and it mounted in just fine. So I'm gonna try to find some copyright free music, because you know YouTube sucks and you can't use copyrighted music. So I'm gonna try to find some right quick to play for you guys. As you guys can see, I don't know if it's copyright free or not, but you know, we're just gonna let it ride. But you can hear the back speakers, they're doing good, and you can also hear that thump in the front. Also the tweeters in the front, you know. Overall, easy installation, but that completes the sound system for now until I do my project in the trunk, which I think I might be doing next. I'm not gonna give it away just yet. I will say there will be a different type of substance down in the trunk, and there might or might not be a subsystem back there, but we will determine that on a later date. And if you stayed on the video this long, I'm gonna throw in a little bonus clip of me inserting these chrome door handles I got. So I'm gonna jump right on that. Alright guys, that's it for the videos today. Should be posting new content maybe next week, maybe the week after. See, clean rig in the back. Daily driver. Old reliable right there. Y'all see it? Like I said, the new content coming probably next week. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, anything. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Before I take a nap, before I go to sleep, count 100 racks while I'm praying on my knees. Chop up with the 50 wicker, make the bitch breathe. Never snitching.